Hey everyone, welcome back. For today's vlog, I want to talk about something na araw-araw natin na experience. Living in a world full of opinions. Kasi kahit anong gawin mo, may masasabi at masasabi ang ibang tao. Minsan, kahit okay ka naman, may maririnig ka lang na negative, biglang maapektuhan ka. And I'll be honest, there are times na naapektuhan din ako. Hindi ako immune sa negativity. There were moments na iniisip ko, bakit ganun sila magsalita? Ano bang ginawa kong mali? And sometimes, it affects my mood, my mindset, even my peace. But I realized something. Hindi ko kontrolado ang sinasabi ng ibang tao. But I can control how I respond. So, what I try to do is, I choose to stay positive. Kahit mahirap, I try to bring good vibes, not just for myself, but for other people too. Kasi, kung papatulan ko lahat ng negativity, ako lang din ang mauubos. Naalala ko lang yung kanta na to.
Every life we have some trouble. When you worry, you make it double. Don't worry. Be happy.
Okay. So, simple lang, pero totoo, di ba? So, here are some lessons I learned that might help you too. One, not every opinion deserves your attention. Hindi lahat kailangan mong patulan. Second, protect your space. Kung toxic na, it's okay to step back. Third, take everything personally. Minsan, projection lang yun ng ibang tao. Fourth, lastly, focus on what you can control. Your mindset, your reaction, your peace. At the end of the day, people will always have something to say. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun, kailangan mong dalhin lahat yon. You don't need everyone's approval. You just need peace within yourself. So, if you're feeling affected right now, pause, breathe, let it go. Dahan-dahan lang, aayos din ang lahat. Hindi ka nag-iisa. See you on my next vlog. Thank you.